Do not replace the motor or regulator for your rear window until watching this video. There was a TSB out on the early Sequoia rear windows. What happens is the window just appears to stop working out of the blue. You go to roll it down one day and it just doesn't roll down. Now it's not the regulator and it's not the motor. And you can tell because if you use the up-down switch on the dashboard and you listen very carefully, you can hear the motor trying to move the window, but it doesn't move. So what is happening? There's a brake inside that I suppose keeps the window from falling down once it's in the up position, and it actually has an adjustment on it, and it gets out of adjustment and locks on all the time. So all we need to do is go in there and loosen the brake and the thing should be working again. You're supposed to be able to roll it down with the key too, so this is the brake mechanism. You move it this way to loosen it. Loosen the two 10mm bolts. Then slide the brake down toward the bottom of the tailgate. Then retighten the bolts. This top edge right here has to go over this lip right there.